up? I'm back on my ninja mode, ninja flow. You guys know how it is. It's fucking freezing out here in New York City right now. But yo, listen, we're back at Petrol Werks. My car just came off the dyno yesterday, so we're back at it today. I wanted to show you guys a little new, you would say a mod, you know, that I'm adding onto my car. Right here is a coil pack bracket, right? Coil pack bracket I have right now has 8 screws. I already took off all the 8 screws. This is the last one right here. Viral. All right, so look, you see the screw right here? On this coil packet bracket, there's 8 screws, right? So when you want to take your coil packs out, forget about unscrewing the coil packs. You have an additional 2 screws. You have to take apart all 8 of these screws, then be able to take the bracket off, which comes with your coil pack. Now with this right here, you don't have to take off any screws. It's literally buttons. That's what's cool about it. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, no screws. Hit the buttons, boom, coil pack bracket comes out, and there you go. It's as simple as that. You guys know how important it is to, you know, stay on top of your coil packs and your spark plugs, especially on a race car. On the track, this is like one of the main things that, you know, tuners or shop people, you know, that this is what they look after. You know, this is what they have to, you know, continuously maintain is your coil packs and your spark plugs. So this piece right here comes from Induction Performance. Shout out to Alpha from Induction Performance. As you guys know, Alpha is my tuner. They came up with this piece, this design. It's gonna be on the market. Well, it's actually on the market, but you know, if you guys need it, you guys can be able to hit up Induction Performance and be able to get this piece for your car. I suggest every 2J car to have this, period. The key thing to this, especially if your car is a race car, if you're gonna go to a race, if you're at the track at a race event, if you're on the dyno, your tuner or your shop would appreciate if you having this piece on your car, because they'll be able to go right into your coil packs, right into your spark plugs, and be able to maintain your motor much easier and do what they got to do for you to, you know, be successful at what you're trying to do, whether it's race the car, dyno the car, whatever it is. I'm gonna show you guys one more time and just explain it one more time, because it'll probably be a little bit easier for you guys to see this way. The old bracket, to remove the coil packs, what would you do is you would have to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 screws in total, and then you'll be able to take the bracket out. Bam! So all your coil packs come out. Now, check this out. Look how easy it is. Instead of 8 screws, all it takes is this. 1, 2, and we're out of here. Put it right back on. Check this out. Click. It's inevitable. It's the new way of living. Innovate, baby. Yeah, pow! I'm super excited for my next track event. As we all know, time is a valuable thing at the track. You know, you never want to have your car down for too long, because we're only there for a couple of hours. But now that I got this bracket in the car, I know nothing can really stand in my way. Stay tuned for all the upcoming shit that I have coming up. It's freaking shitty outside right now. It's like 30 degrees out, man. Snow on the floor and shit, so I can't really drive the car. But stay tuned. As soon as the weather gets better, you know, and then when I start feeling froggy and niggas want to leave, you know, I'll bring the car outside. You guys know what time it is. For now, stay tuned for all the other crazy shit that's coming up. I want to give a big, huge shout out to Petrol Werks for always dealing with my bullshit with this car. And I want to give a major shout out to Alpha from Induction Performance for always taking care of me and making sure my car is running tip-top notch. And I also want to thank him for being able to provide me with the quick release bracket. And now I know that I'm actually chilling. I'm solid at the track. And I'm not really a hands-on guy, but I'll be honest with you, this bracket just makes my life personally easier. So if it makes my life easier, it'll make anybody's life easier. Bye!